Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today we have got an exciting tutorial for you on how to share screen in Discord. So let's dive right in. Open the Discord app in your PC. Once you are in Discord, in the bottom left corner of Discord window, you will find the gear icon. This is your user setting. Click on it to access your account setting. Scroll down a little in the left in the settings and tap on voice and video under app settings. Check the voice and video settings as per your preference. Once you are done, go back to the home page and join a voice or video call with your friend. You can simply do it by clicking on three dot beside your friend's name and hitting the start video call button. You can easily add up to 9 people in this call. Let it load for a few seconds, then go ahead and click on screen share button, which is the third button from the right. You can simply recognize the icon as a TV with an arrow inside. After that, choose what to share with your friend. You can share Chrome tab or window and even the whole screen. Choose as per your liking and click on share. So there you have it. You have successfully shared the screen on Discord. So this is it for the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.